Hey girls, welcome to Bikini Boot Camp. I'm Christina Tremblay. I'm going to be your trainer today. Today we are working on an inner core. You guys know how much I love to work inner core because honestly you can't get the six pack and the abs you want if you can't work. Is like a small 3-pound weight. You want to, or if your core is not tight, you want to go down on your side like this. Go down on your side, always support yourself. Also when you're coming up, so you're not putting too much strain on your back or your core if you're not toned in that area yet. So just a little trick. So you're getting up, roll over and have your hand push you up. So for our core today, we're going to start in a basic crunch. So the first thing I want you to do is breathe out and roll those hips just slightly back so that lower back is into the mat. You don't want it to come up. If your lower back is coming up, that means your form is bad and you need to go back to regress or modify the workout. So once your hips are rolled out, all your air is blown out, we're gonna go into a regular crunch. So you're just gonna crunch it right here. Just an itty bitty little crunch. And you're gonna breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. All right, sit back, bring those legs in, squeeze them in. Relax that core for a second. Now, we're going to relax those thighs a little bit, and we're gonna push the weight through. So you're just gonna come up right here. So breathe in through the mouth, out through the, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Bring those legs in again, squeeze it out. All right, now we're in my strength training program. So the modified version is to keep your head down, and the advanced version is to hold your shoulders off the ground. So you wanna bring your legs in a 90 degree, hold your weight above you. So beginner version, you just wanna drop down one leg at a time right here. And if you're more advanced, pull it up, you'll feel your core even tighten more, and you're just gonna drop one foot at a time. Ooh, your girl's gonna feel it. All right, give me 5 more here. Ooh, lay that weight down. Bring those legs. So this time, we're gonna go into a dead bug, but we're gonna hold our legs straight up. So you don't need your weight for this one. All right, so we're gonna do a dead bug with legs straight. My legs are gonna be a little bit today. 2 mini booty workouts. I need to foam roll them out. They're staying bit today, but we're gonna do one leg down at a time. Take it nice and slow. So you feel it. Ooh, I'm feeling it. Give me 5 more right here. Woo! Bring those legs in. Oh my gosh. Roll them around. Woo! Abs are on fire. So many new ab workouts for you guys. And instead of doing a single touchdown, we're going to crunch it in for a double. So a modified version is head down, holding up, and you can just tap right here and squeeze it in, because this is really going to work those low abs right there. But for my advanced girls, get ready. Suck it in. Roll it back, let that balloon out. And then we're gonna raise it up, and you're gonna go back, and you're gonna crunch it in. Give me 2 more. Oh my God! My abs are on fire. I know you girls. Your abs have to be on fire right now. Alright, one last move, and then you are done. So, we're going to raise our legs up, and we're just going to twist over. So you're just going to go over and over. Touch the other side of that shoe. And we're just here for 30 seconds. Give me 10 more. Four, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Bring those knees in. And then we're going to stretch it all the way out. Woo, really stretch it out. Oh my gosh, you guys did so good. That was amazing. Woo. All right, now we're going to roll over. Woo, and just stretch out our stomachs real quick. So I want you to lay down. You're just going to reach up. Let out all that tension. Take a deep breath. Back out again. Oh my gosh, you guys did amazing.